Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling the numbers you will use. Get the principal balance, the annual interest rate, and the compounding frequency. Once you have the APRA or nominal percent, convert it to the periodic rate by dividing by compounding periods per year. Make sure to record any capitalized interest and the exact payment dates, because timing changes the interest accrual. Start calculating interest for the first period immediately. This first computation controls the schedule that follows, so be precise with amounts and dates. Now calculate interest for each payment cycle. Convert APRA to the periodic rate, for example APRA divided by 12 for monthly. Multiply the outstanding principal by that periodic rate to get interest charged this period. If your loan uses daily accrual, compute daily rate equals APRA divided by 365 and multiply by days elapsed. When a payment arrives, apply it to interest first, then to principal, which lowers future interest. Keep a running schedule so you can see amortization. This is how you track both interest and principal over time. Finish by producing a full amortization table. List each period, starting balance, interest, payment, and ending balance until payoff. This reveals total interest paid, payoff date, and the impact of extra payments. Once done, recalc immediately after any rate change or extra payment to update projections. If your figures do not match lender statements, verify the compounding method, exact payment dates, and whether interest was capitalized. As a troubleshooting tip, if totals differ, adjust for daily accrual or misapplied.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.